Hi guys, in the given question it's been said a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having a diameter of 12 centimeters and height 15 centimeters is completely filled with ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeters and diameter 6 centimeters having a hemispherical shape on the top. We have to find the number of such cones which can be filled with this ice cream. So let's say this is a right circular cylinder. This container is filled completely with ice cream. Now this ice cream is to fill some cones which are something like this. There is a conical bottom and on top of this cone there is a hemisphere mounted. We have to find the number of cones that can be filled. So let's say there are n number of cones which can be filled using this ice cream. The volume of ice cream you will see that would remain constant. The volume of ice cream inside this cylindrical container that would be equal to the volume of ice cream inside these n cones. So we can write volume of cylinder that would be equal to n into volume of each cone. Since the number of cones we have assumed to be n. Now about the volume, the dimensions are given to us. The diameter of the cylinder that's equal to 12 centimeters. So its radius is going to be 6 centimeters. The height of the cylinder that's equal to 15 centimeters. So if we have to write down the volume of cylinder, volume of any cylinder that's equal to pi r square h. So it would be equal to pi into 6 square into 15. Now this volume of the cylinder is equal to n times volume of each cone. If you look at the cone, the height of the cone that's given to us as 12 centimeters, this height is equal to 12 centimeters. Its diameter is equal to 6 centimeters, so radius would be equal to 3 centimeters. R that's equal to 3 centimeters. In case of this cone, if you look at this cone, it's a cone plus hemisphere. A hemispherical end is mounted on top of this cone. So the volume of each cone that would be equal to pi r square h by 3 volume of each cone plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, the volume of hemispherical part. Radius is same for both of them. Radius would be same 3 centimeters. Now we can substitute the values. So n into pi radius square 3 square into h 12 divided by 3 plus for the hemispherical part 2 by 3 pi r cube, so 3 cube. If you solve this equation you will get the value of n. How to solve this equation? To solve this equation, first let's simplify this further. Pi into 6 square 36 into 15 that's equal to n times 3 square by 3, so let's cancel this out. Pi into 12 into 3 that would be 36 plus one of the 3 would be cancelled out over here as well. It would be square only. So pi into 3 square into 2, so that's equal to 18. So from this you will get pi into 36 into 15 that would be equal to 540. That's equal to n into 36 pi plus 18 pi, so it's equal to 54 pi. Now from both sides of this equation we can cancel out pi as well. So from this you will get n that's equal to 540 by 54. The value of n you will get that's equal to 10. There are 10 cones which can be filled with this ice cream. The number of cones that's equal to 10.